Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how to make this colorful bangle or bracelet. This is Manori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this sample I used a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. However, for the tutorial I'm using a thick yarn so you could see the process thoroughly. Before we start and make your first stitch, leave some extra yarn. So make a stitch, 5 chains. Now from this chain on, in each chain, make 1 single crochet. Overall we have 4 single crochet stitches. Hold it like this. In the first stitch, push the hook, pull the yarn out, and 1 single crochet. Now hold it like this. Take this front loop. In each stitch, make 1 single crochet. Keep making these single crochet stitches. And just to keep in mind, we should always take this front loop every time. See, we have 2 loops, front loop and back loop. We should always take the front loop. And the result would look like this with a fine yarn. We need 4 cords and a big ring. Now we should attach one side of these cords to this ring by sewing. and hide part of the extra yarn like this and cut the rest. Now we sewed and attached all these sides of this course to the ring. Now it's time to attach the other side of the course to the ring. And we're done. This is our bracelet or bangle. It's super easy to make. You can add as many colorful cords as you want, and it's really comfy and easy to wear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.